Alright, so welcome back. This video will be the weekly forecast. Okay, so let's do this quick and start off with ES. Last week I've indicated that I would like to see this fair value gap hold price and then go higher, but in the end what we got was a seek and destroy. So it took out previous week's low before reversing back up. Okay, so now I'm looking at this as a balanced price range, right, to send price higher from here to here. All right, that's my bias for ES. Overall still bullish, right, even though I was invalidated down here, but I guess this is what you get for a seek and destroy profile. Okay, price just doesn't do what you would expect it to do, and lots of manipulation I mean going on, right? So let's hop over to NASDAQ. Okay, for NASDAQ, simply put, we have already taken out August highs, so I want to see if ES fails to take out the August high, and if ES fails to take out the August high, then obviously we would look for that to be a SMT for lower prices after or during the end of Q2, right? So the August high of ES is right here. Okay, so moving to Forex, we have DXY taking out all the weekly levels. Okay, really bullish here, bullish expansion right here. Okay, I'm looking at the equal highs over here. Okay, and we're gonna most probably attack the monthly fair value gap right here. Okay, we're gonna eat into this monthly fair value gap, and then we have a order block down here, the bearish order block. Okay, so are we looking moving forward next 2 to 3 weeks, dollar should be rallying higher, okay, to attack this swing high and above, right? So on a weekly time frame, because it has closed above 2 weekly fair value gaps, right, I would like to see it used as inversion to go higher. Right, trend seems pretty strong, so we have a weekly fair value gap right here, but I'm not sure if it's gonna reach into this since it has closed above this fair value gap. Okay, to me this is really bullish for dollar. So on the daily, as you can see right here, this is the fair value gap, right? We have the daily fair value gap right here, which I think it would like to retrace back into. Okay, so I will note this down right here, and we have relative equal lows down here as well. Okay, so my bias heading into next week will be for price to come lower before attacking the equal highs right up there. Okay, or minimum this swing high right here. Right, for euro we have really nice price action. Okay, so for euro, targets were met. Initially at the start of the week I was thinking if we can get back up into this area here, but since it failed to do so, broke down lower, indicates that we're probably really bearish. So on Thursday we have this price right here, and it created a daily fair value gap, came up to it on Friday, smashed it down into the fair value gap right below. Okay, ICT has mentioned that on a weekly chart we have the order block right here, so I think it's gonna reach in deeper next week, right, to attack the volume imbalance right down here. Okay, so let's see what happens. On the weekly time frame, we have this fair value gap right here. This I think remains unfilled, so I'm gonna shift it lower. I want to see if price can come up to attack the weekly fair value gap before reversing back lower. Okay, we have a volume imbalance on the weekly right here. So on the daily, those levels would be this swing high right down here, and it lines in nicely with that daily fair value gap as well. Okay, right here. So let's see if we can anticipate a turtle soup sell. We have the bearish order block right here. Okay, so lots of confluences. So next week's bias lower from this level. Okay, we're gonna remove small little lines down here and the sell side right here as well. This was this week's objective. Okay, and moving on to British pound. Similarly, we have the objective met right here. This was the sell side that I was looking at. We have relative equal lows right here, and price on Monday opened right down here. I mean, on the daily time frames, I don't have anything for British pound, but I would much prefer to short euro dollar right now because it's technically more bearish. Okay, so on Friday, I think we have this order block, bearish order block right here, and we have this swing highs. So let's see if we can attack. Let me think. Since it's more bullish, I'm not sure if we're going to reach back up into this swing high or maybe this swing high right here to the mean threshold of the order block before breaking down, right? So this order block was the start of the move down here. So I think this is a more valid order block. Okay. Yep, so for now I don't have anything on the British pound, right? Even on a weekly, I think it's gonna attack the volume imbalance right here. Let's take a look at where is it on the daily. Yeah, so the sell side right down here, but can't seem to find an entry from this daily time frame. Okay, let's look at 4 hours. Yeah, I don't really see anything on the 4 hours as well, right? Other than this fair value gap right here and the turtle soup. So let's see if we can reach back up here because everything on the 4 hours seems pretty balanced. Okay, like it doesn't have any strong inefficiencies. So yeah, we'll see how next week how next week presents itself. All right, and I think that's it for equities and forex, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Good luck trading, and